Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In last video, I had discussed how to draw 2, 3 or 4 variable K-map. Now in this video, I am going to discuss the marking cell and framing group in K-map. So let's start with marking cell in K-map. Here I have taken a 4 variable function fwxyz is equal to with the subscript value 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 15. This is the Boolean function. First we draw truth table for the given function and it display all the inputs and outputs. Now since the function f has 4 variable, so we will create 4 variable k map having 2 to the power 4, that is 16 cell. Now fill the cell marked with subscript 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15 with value 1 for SOP and 0 for the POS. Means we have to enter 1 on the position 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 15 for the SOP, and in the case of POS we have to fill this values with 0. Now after marking once in the cell, now we go for framing groups in K-map for the simplification of Boolean expression. Group is a combination of ones or 0 placed in consecutive cell horizontally or vertically. The group can be formed in pair, quad or octet. So first pair. If two adjacent ones or zeros are encircled, it makes a pair. See the figure here, cell 4 and 12 and cell 3 and 7 makes the pair. Now quad. If 4 adjacent ones or 0 are encircled, it makes quad. In this figure, cell 0, 4, 12 and 8 makes first quad and cell 2, 3, 6, 7 makes the second quad. Now octet. If 8 adjacent 0 or 1s are encircled, it makes octet. See the picture. Here first 2 rows makes a octet. Now map rolling. Map rolling means roll the map, that is consider the map as if its left edges are touching to the right edges and top edges are touching bottom edges. Here cell 1 and 9 makes the rolling, cell 1 and 9 makes a pair after rolling, and cell 12 and 14 also makes a pair after rolling left to right. Now overlapping group. Overlapping group means same 1 or 0 can be encircled or share more than one. Here two pairs are drawn by sharing the same one of quad. Same one sharing by the two pairs. Now next, redundant group. A group is said to be redundant if all its zeros and ones are shared by other groups. Here pair 5 and 13, the pair that is made by the cell 5 and 13 is the redundant group because its all ones are shared by other group. So this is called redundant group, and for a simple expression redundant group must be removed. A student, you should keep some point in your mind while grouping. First one is you must try to accommodate all ones or zeros in the group. Do not left any ones or zero. The second one, you must try to go for the higher group. Means first you make octet, then quad, and at last go for the pair. Third one is the group can be formed even by sharing ones or zeros. Yes, this is also important. We can make the group using sharing ones or zero. Fourth one is we can frame a group by rolling and folding map. Yes, student, do not forget rolling or folding. And fifth one, remove the redundant group if any. So that's all, student. That's all about the grouping in KMap. In next video, I will explain the rules for SOP reduction using KMap. So student, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.